In this video, we will look at the qualification cards template feature. So trial secretaries will notice a new button on the club dashboard that says Q card templates. If you click on that, it will give you a list of what templates you have configured for each discipline. I can't imagine a lot of people are actually going to use this, but I thought I would demonstrate it anyway. The configuration for this is quite complicated, but it kind of needs to be to allow me to cater for every combination of stuff while giving clubs the freedom to do their own thing. So this club is set up with all of the defaults. So I've loaded all the templates that I use into this and they're accessible for everybody. So if we have a look at the agility templates here, it's currently using the Dogs Australia template. If we click on configure, we've got the data only template, which is the one that has nothing in the background, so you can print it on pre-printed cards. I've got the Dogs Australia template, which would print out the entire template itself, and I've got the Dogs West variant because everybody over here uses a different template. You can also click on this little eye icon. It will give you a preview. Let's use this one because it will actually look a little bit better. So it'll download an example in doc format. I just got to open that in another window here. So you can see it's pre-filled in with some random data. You can also click on the download button, which will go and download the actual template itself. So if we open that file, you can see what the template looks like and how the fields are actually put in there. This can be handy for if you're wanting to build your own templates for whatever reason. So if you wanted to change the template that you're using for a particular discipline, you can click on the configure button, and here you'll see a list of available ones. These are the system ones, so ones that I've loaded into the system. So you can switch between data only or the Dogs Australia one if you save that. If it's different from the base system configuration, it will give you little extra box up the top there so you can see custom settings that you've done. So we use another club as an example, the Agility Club of WA. So all the WA clubs have been loaded with the Dogs West templates. So you'll see there's a bunch of different templates at the top that weren't there previously. And if these clubs wanted to move back to the data only ones, they can either select it in here, or you can just say remove configuration and you let the system do it for you. So if we look down here for obedience, we've got the system config set up. The last example for this is custom templates. So if you build your own, you have the ability to upload them and use them where you see fit. So we'll have a look at Cloverdale, who use their own templates. So we click Q card templates. You'll see they've got a list of custom ones here. And on the right hand side, you can see they've got custom agility, obedience, and rally certificates. And they've got the same options here where you can download the actual template, a preview. You can edit it, which is just the name and description and which disciplines it's used for, or you can delete. And then once you've uploaded a custom template, that just becomes an option for the disciplines that it's been configured for. So it is overly complicated, but unfortunately it needs to be in order to do what I wanted, but it puts the power back in the club's hands for using what they want. And hopefully disciplines that don't have certificates yet, such as hoopers, maybe will want to upload their templates on here and we can use them across the board. Thanks for watching.